Safety Talk number 97. Electrical Hazards Reporting. Most of us understand very little about electricity. We flip switches to turn lights on and off. We replace a bulb when it burns out. But beyond that, we don't know much about how electricity works. We take it for granted because it does so much for us, easily and on demand. Many people believe only high voltages are dangerous. But today, I want to emphasize, even 115 volts or lower can be deadly. Too many people think low voltage circuits are safe. By low voltage, I mean the 220 to 240 volts we use at home and at work, as well as the 110 to 120 volts in many devices. Every year, thousands of people die from electric shock. Worn-out wires and damaged equipment cause hundreds of thousands of fires worldwide. But let's not blame electricity alone. You know how electrical accidents happen. And you know how to prevent them. In most cases, accidents happen because of unsafe actions. With a little caution, we can reduce the risk. Some companies have lost workers to shocks from as low as 46 volts. If we accept that fact, then any circuit with 46 volts or more is dangerous. You must know a few things to protect yourself when using electric drills, saws, sanders, and polishers. It's not the voltage that decides if a shock is fatal. It's how much current goes through vital parts of your body. Statistics show many workers die each year from 115 volt circuits. Experts say even a 5 or 10 watt bulb carries enough current to kill. Your body's condition plays a big role. If your hands are sweaty, your socks or shoes are wet, or you're standing on a damp floor, your risk of fatal shock increases. Moisture allows more current to pass through your body. Be extra careful when using power tools in wet places, inside tanks, heaters, or underground piping systems. These can create a path through your body to the ground. Before plugging in any equipment, make sure it's grounded. Most tools have a ground wire built into the power line, or an external wire attached to the tool. If the cord has a 3-prong plug, and the outlet has 3 holes, the system is grounded. You're protected when you plug it in. But if the plug has only 2 prongs, or the outlet has only 2 holes, make sure the tool is grounded another way before use. And finally, always report any worn or damaged cords. If you ever feel a shock from equipment you're using, tell me right away so we can repair it. Leave electrical repairs to the electricians. Always use grounded equipment. Let's stay safe from electrical hazards.